Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites. Make sure the device is powered, connected to a network if the app needs it, and has adequate battery. Once done, force close the misbehaving app using the app switcher or task manager, and then attempt to reopen it immediately. If that fails, restart the device to clear temporary locks and memory pressure. This often resolves transient issues because a fresh system state removes stalled processes and refreshes services the app depends on. Next, inspect the app state and supporting resources. You should review permissions and background data settings so the app can access required sensors or network. Then clear the app cache and temporary files to remove corrupt entries. Make sure you have at least 10% free storage because low space causes failures. After that, check for app and operating system updates and apply them. Alternatively, if problems began after an update, consider rolling back or installing an older stable version to restore functionality. For final remedies, back up any local data and uninstall, then reinstall the app to reset its installation state and dependencies. If that does not help, boot into safe mode or test the app on another device or account to isolate device-specific issues. When nothing works, collect error messages and logs, note your OS and app versions, and contact support with the steps you already tried. One key troubleshooting tip: if symptoms persist, try the app on a fresh account to rule out corrupted account data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.